Hello everyone, this is Amber from Leasing Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging, designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. This is a golden egg in the paper tray. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. One side has a matte texture and the other side is smoother. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. The other of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our paper tray is yellow pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's look at the details of this paper tray. It is made with a circular recess, and it is specially designed for this golden egg, so it grows perfectly. We can customize any logo for you. If you are interested in this product and you have requests about it, just feel free to contact us. We are offering the free design and free assembly. Thank you.